Hi, today I'm for the LENOVO TAB M9 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings app and then tap to network and internet section. Tap to the internet to activate Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi switcher, and after that you'll see here all of the available networks. Enter the password. And after that just tap the connect button. Wait a second, and now we could see that we just successfully connected to this network. By the same way, you could use here more networks. By the same way, enter the passwords, connect to them, and after that you'll see here all of the saved networks in this saved networks list. You could also connect to Wi-Fi by another way. Just open first the control panel and you'll see here the internet icon, just this one. Click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off with the help of the switcher. Here you'll see this just all of the available networks. You could tap here to see all the large full Wi-Fi settings list. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.